First, I like to weigh out the flours. Then on a flat surface, I like to make a little volcano with the flour. And in the middle of the volcano, you place the eggs and then the egg yolks. And a little bit of olive oil if you like. Then I slowly mix the eggs with a fork, slowly adding flour from the outer ring, making an egg slurry. Once your slurry is thick enough and not runny, I use a scraper to finish mixing the flour and the egg. Once the flour and the egg is mixed enough, I use the scraper and my hand to squeeze it all together. Using a slow rocking motion, I mix it side to side with my hands. Making sure I use up all the flour that's on the board. I mix it for another few minutes like this, side to side, using my whole body weight, and then I finally make a ball.